Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can set an external link instead of add to cart in CS card. By default, CS card had no option to set an external product link in your website. So we have to add add-ons. I already create an add-on. If you need this add-on, you can directly contact me by using the description link. So let's install our add-ons. I'm gonna click add-ons, then click CS card, and now manually install our add-ons. So I already create this add-ons, and this add-on for lifetime. You don't have to pay for monthly or yearly. So after that, when you install the extra product link add-on, you will see the add-on here in the add-on list. Okay, this is the add-on. Now we have to activate. Before I activate this, if I click any of the product, I cannot see any external link. Let's see. Okay, I can see no external link option here, right? That is why we cannot set the external link. Okay, now I'm gonna activate the add-ons. Now if I reload or open any of the product, you will see an external link option. So let's set google.com and save. And now if I reload my page, you'll see instead of add to cart, enroll now button is appearing here. If you need to customize the button text, just text me. I will set whatever you need here. Now if I click here, it will go to the external website. So the mini add-on will help you a lot, I believe, who try to set an external link in your product. Thank you very much. By the way, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you really need the add-ons or any customization, just comment me, or you will get my link, Facebook, WhatsApp and other links in the description. Just contact me using the description link. Thank you very much.